Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce Conch Wi-Fi alarm system for you. Take out the sleeve, open the box. This is the manual. This is Conch alarm Wi-Fi control panel. One motion and door sensor, one remote control, and the plug. That's it. Thank you for watching.